Hello everyone, today we will discuss microbial transformation of nitrogen in soil. So what is nitrogen cycle? It is a biochemical cycle that describes the transformation of nitrogen and nitrogenous compounds in nature. So the sources of nitrogen are lightning, inorganic fertilizers, nitrogen fixation, animal crop residues and organic fertilizers. The forms of nitrogen are urea, ammonia, ammonium nitrate, nitrite, atmospheric dinitrogen, and organic nitrogen. So, the steps that are involved in nitrogen cycle are nitrogen fixation, nitrification, assimilation, DNRA, denitrification, ammonification and anamox. We will see all these steps in nitrogen cycle. So here is our nitrogen cycle. First of all, the atmospheric dinitrogen is converted into ammonia through nitrogen fixation. That is our nitrogen fixation, conversion of dinitrogen into ammonia. Now that ammonia is converted into nitrate through nitrification. So nitrification is two-step process. In first, the ammonia converted into nitrite, and then that nitrite is converted into nitrate, and it occurs in acidic condition, that is 6.6 to 8.0 pH value. So this is our nitrification. The ammonia is converted into nitrate. Next is the assimilation. Ammonia is also assimilated by plants and microorganisms under the soil. So it is aerobically assimilated and anaerobically assimilated. So the next is DNRA. In this case, the nitrate is directly converted into ammonia. So this is our aerobic process, and after this denitrification. In this case, the nitrate under the soil is converted into dinitrogen through the formation of nitrite. So this is our denitrification. After denitrification, next is the ammonification. That assimilated ammonia, that is assimilation. Assimilation means inorganic to organic form. Now the organic form is again converted into ammonia, that is inorganic form, through ammonification. It also occurs aerobically and aerobically both. So this is our ammonification. That assimilated ammonia by plants and microorganisms is converted into ammonia again through ammonification. The next is our anamox, that is anaerobic ammonia oxidation. In that case, the ammonia and the nitrites present in soil is converting into dinitrogen so that it can again continue the nitrogen cycle. So that is anamox. Ammonia and nitrite both converted into dinitrogen. So this is our nitrogen cycle. Next, here it is the animated video. So what happens? The empty balls are dinitrogen. They undergo nitrogen fixation and forms ammonia. Ammonia undergo nitrification to form nitrates. Nitrates are assimilated by plants and microorganisms, and then they are denitrified to dinitrogen again, so that the nitrogen cycle continues. So this is our nitrogen cycle. Thank you. Follow the link in description for names of microorganisms used in nitrogen transformation in soil.